get it. So, we need to pick some salad. I've been planting salad all over the backyard. I've planted some butter crunch salad, some red sale salad. I've started harvesting as much as I can. Back here, I got some mixed salad greens, and I like being able to just pick off the leaves and just toss it in the mouth because it's fresh and straight from your own garden. So a lot of salad, I think we eat about 2 boxes of, well, this family eats about 2 containers of spring mix salad each week. So I'm just planting salad seeds all over the place. So I'm gonna place that. So here I got a whole bunch of, I believe, butter crunch salad. I got some of the red sales from the garden. And what I'm gonna do is just get them all together, wash them, chop them. I have this salad spinner, which I highly recommend you pick up a salad spinner if you're picking your own, veggies from the garden. So it's easy to wash your salad and dry them out. And here I'm just gonna just roughly chop them. So sorry, I'm trying to do 2 things at once: hold my camera and chop them at the same time. Once I roughly chop them, put them in the salad spinner. And then from there, I'm going to give them a good rinsing in the sink, just to wash off any little bugs or anything from there. And then from there, dry them out and reuse the container we got from Costco for our spring mix. So here we're in the sink, give them a good rinsing with some nice cold water. And then after I finish rinsing it off, so just making sure that I thoroughly rinse the lettuce leaves off and rinse off anything that happens to be on there. Sometimes there is little tiny, bugs and such, but you know, that's what you get when you grow an organic garden. It's a buffet to everyone else that's out there. So bugs, insects, animals, they'll all take notice and want some themselves. Now I'm putting it in a salad spinner. I highly recommend you get one of these. It makes it really easy to rinse off your greens and your veggies. And you can see all that extra moisture is just getting pulled right off. So this is pretty cool to do. I think I do it more than I need to, but I think I just like the way it spins and pulls all the water off. So I'll probably give it another spin after this one. All right, all the salad is nice and dried up. So this container here is what we bought from the store. So if you go to the supermarket, you'll see a spring salad mix that they usually put in this container. I pretty much created my own spring salad mix. I got the red sale, the butter crunch, like I said, and I was able to fill it all up to the brim. So this is what I'm talking about, like getting it enough production out your garden so that you're basically just making your own salad. You're not buying it from the store, and you know where you've grown it. It's right in your backyard or your patio or whatever. And so I'm kind of proud of this moment that I was able to fill that up. And I think this box holds about 16 ounces or a pound of salad. Okay, so now that we've washed it and dried it and packed it, it's now time to eat it, and that's the whole point of this, right? So Here I'm just going to just show you what I eat sometimes for a typical lunch. I'll just grab a salad and just start building it like buffet style. So I think I'm just using leftover stuff. So we have some red beans, some vegetarian beans from I think a night or two ago from taco night. What else we got in here? We got some shredded carrots. Threw that on there. I think next is I threw some shredded cabbage on there. And then here I'm just picking whatever's in the fridge, just building my salad. So you can do this too. It's really not that hard. I guess the hardest thing is making sure you slice and dice all your stuff. Here I have some vegan mozzarella slices. So everything you see here is organic or vegan. I have some French dressing, organic. Again, just drizzling that on there. Next after this, I think I even had some avocados. Diced and sliced up some avocados to throw on there. And so here I'm just trying to just get it. I need both my hands at this point just to slice up the avocado. We recently bought a couple of avocado plants, so hopefully in some years' time we'll have some of our own avocados coming out of our own garden. For now, I just get them from Costco. I just buy a bunch of them. But yeah, every week I kind of I eat avocado in taco night, or we'll eat it on my salad or stuff like that. I personally just love avocados. So here, I'm just dumping the avocados on there. What's next? Oh, cashews. Yep, that's what I wanted to get. I went in here to see what else I could put on here. Those walnuts, but I said, no, let's go with the cashews. So here I'm just grabbing some cashew nuts. These are raw cashews. You usually get those from the supermarket aisle where you can, I guess, pour your own nuts or that. So we just get a whole bag of cashews. And here I'm throwing it here. I think I'm pretty much done. Now it's time to dig in. I know it's a lot, but it's worth it, and it's a nice filling meal. Salad, whoop, goddamn. All this salad came from that garden right there. From farm, right here. Welcome to our farm. From farm to table, right here. To my belly, to my belly, to my belly. Hey, thanks for watching today. If you haven't already, please subscribe and also comment below. I like interacting and sharing ideas with each of you, so feel free to hit me up in the comments section. As always, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.
Perfect.